Okay, what's up YouTube? I got an unboxing for you guys today. I found another pair of rare dead stock sneakers. What I'm going to be doing for now, I'm going to be starting over my shoe collection. I don't really buy new shoes because that risks, somebody else having the shoe. I like to have my things one of a kind. Some people may get where I'm coming from, some may not, but without further ado, let's get it. Today's sneakers what we will be unboxing today is, as you can see, I still have the original box. I actually purchased these like 20 minutes ago. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. A lot of you know what this brand is called, a lot may not, but for my fellow sneakerheads, these are Bathing Ape shoes. Bapesta, Bape, whatever people call it nowadays. This shoe was very popular back in the day due to the fact that Soulja Boy promoted it.
You catch me at your local party, yes I crank it every day. Haters get mad cause I got me some Bathing Ape.
And not too long ago, even Lil Uzi Vert had it in one of his music videos.
Yeah, now I do what I want. 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 Now I do what I want.
So, it's in a sick colorway. For the shoe to be so old, it is in great condition, no scuffs, nothing. It still looks brand new. Okay, now these shoes usually run for about $300 to like a $1,000 price range. I'm going to show you guys a couple screenshots to show proof that these shoes are really expensive. What I've said in past videos that I don't buy shoes unless if they're too pricey. Only if it's in my price range. Since these shoes were so expensive, I actually was willing to pay, retail price for it, around $200. But I found these. Finally, it took me like 2 years to find this actual shoe because in Dallas, Texas, you don't see too many guys wearing these shoes. So I got these for a steal of $150 using the OfferUp.